In a world where many chase after endless accolades and towering achievements, it's easy to get swept up in the chaos of competition. Yet the secret lies not in the hustle, but in clarity and purpose. As you embark on this journey, remember that a single, focused effort, nurtured by your unique voice, can lead you away from burnout and towards genuine success. Embrace this challenge wholeheartedly and transform your approach to achievement this year. Consider where you are directing your energy and whether it aligns with what truly matters to you in the long run. As you reflect on your current goals, take a moment to assess what truly sparks joy and aligns with your values. Perhaps it's starting that creative project you've been putting off or devoting time to your health and well-being. Whatever it is, remind yourself of the power of those small, consistent actions. Each choice you make today shapes your path, guiding you further along the journey toward meaningful success. Stay committed to your one goal and keep nurturing that clarity in your mind every single day. Transform your ambition into actionable steps. Start by pinpointing that one pivotal goal, the kind of goal that resonates deeply within you, igniting your passion and focus. What is it that you've been yearning to achieve? Maybe it's launching your own business or finally penning that novel. Visualize it clearly, then articulate it in a single sentence. Write it down, not just as a fleeting thought, but as a declaration of intent. Place this affirmation where you'll see it daily, your desk, fridge, or even your phone lock screen. This not only serves as a constant reminder, but also reinforces your commitment, transforming your aim into a tangible pursuit. With clarity established, you have the foundation to build upon, igniting your drive with renewed purpose. In this journey toward success, it's essential to adopt the mindset that imperfection is a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block. Embrace the idea that taking action, even if the results aren't flawless, can propel you forward. Share your drafts, pitch your ideas, and allow others to offer feedback without fear. Growth thrives in environments where vulnerability is embraced, leading to genuine connections and collaborative breakthroughs. By letting go of the need for perfection, you open yourself up to opportunities that could otherwise pass you by. With each small step, you pave the way for a brighter, more successful future. As you harness the power of these strategies, remember that success is not a linear path, but rather a winding journey that includes both triumphs and setbacks. Regularly check in with yourself, acknowledging both the progress you've made and any obstacles that may have arisen. Adjust your approach as needed, cultivating resilience and adaptability along the way. Embrace every moment as a chance to learn, grow, and refine your goals while remaining true to the vision you've crafted for your life. Ultimately, it's about living a life aligned with your values and aspirations, fostering a sense of fulfillment and purpose that goes beyond mere achievement. As you embrace the practice of regular reflection, take a moment each week to celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Acknowledge the steps you've taken, whether it's completing a task or simply maintaining focus on your goal. This celebration of progress not only boosts your motivation, but also reinforces the powerful mindset that each action contributes to your overall success. Remember, it's in the consistency of these tiny victories that you build the foundation for lasting achievements. In conclusion, by embracing simplicity, consistency, and a focused approach to your goals, you lay the groundwork for sustainable success. Remember, each small step taken today can lead to monumental achievements tomorrow. Let your journey be guided by clarity, and you will discover that success is not just a destination, but a fulfilling process.